On this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram I'm not robot problem easily and fast. So first thing guys you want to do is open the settings like this and then go to the apps manager. After you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. And after that, you have to open the Instagram app. Now on this page you will find the app informations and settings. So first thing you want to do here is click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage. And then go back, click on the data usage. Now on the data usage right here, you must be enabling all those options like this. After that, go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on this clear data option to clear the data in the app and click on clear cache. Now you have to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store. It's very easy, just search for it and then click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe.